Welcome to our final tutorial for how to make your own quiz game. This will be a tutorial going over step number 5. It says, this template only has 2 question slides. Add more question slides if you want. See a tutorial here. And that is the tutorial you are now watching, okay? So when I come down to the end, okay, you'll notice that slide 6 had my question. Slide 7 and slide 8 do not have a question. Those are the you're correct or you're not correct. So I'm going to go to this 6 because I need to make another question slide. I'm going to, on your little mouse pad on your Chromebook, you have 2 sides that you can click on. You want to click on this corner. For me, it's on the right side, okay? But I know as I'm looking here at you in the video, it's probably actually on this side. So anyway, we call it right click, and then all these options will come up. So again, right click on your little Chromebook mouse and these options should come up. It will say duplicate slide. Duplicate is a word that means make a copy. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna make a copy. Now notice it has changed that for me, or not changed it, but made a copy. I'm gonna take that then all the way down. You see that little orange line that's saying where I want it to go? I want it to go all the way at the end. Then I'm gonna come back to 7. I'm gonna duplicate that as well, because now I'm gonna make another you're correct slide. And I'm also going to make another you're not correct slide. Okay, so notice what I did. Question 6 is the question. Then I have a you're right or you're not. Then I'm ready to have another question. And then I have a you're right and you're not, okay? Something to pay attention to, this is the same question that you had on number 6. So you will need to change your question here. And then you will also need to change your answers. You'll have to be really careful here though. You don't want it to go back to slide 7. You will want it to go forward to slide 10 or 11. So I'm actually going to take that link off. So remove link and remove link. Okay, reason for that is I don't want them to go back to slide 7 and 8. I want them to go to another slide. So I'm going to give my viewers 2 options. You want to make them tricky on purpose. I guess that's tricky. I don't really know. Actually, I think I'll say 40 because if they add those but they forget to carry. All right. So the 50 is going to be correct. So now it's ready for hyperlinking. To say correct, I want to go to number 10. And then this will be hyperlinked to number 11. To say it's not correct. Okay. Now when I come here as well, once I finish, I decide, no, what, this is done. So then maybe instead of saying click here when you're ready for the next question, I'll say thank you for playing today. Or thank you for playing this quiz game today. Something like that, okay? And I want to make that change on both of them. Just in case they get it right or wrong, then they still know this is the end of the quiz game, okay? So again, this was step 5, how to add more question slides, and this was the tutorial, all right? Until next time.